In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to compact view for bills in Xero. Let's get started right from the beginning. First, log into your Xero account as you normally would. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the navigation and click Purchases. This is where you manage spending and supplier activity. From there, select Bills. That takes you straight into your bills area, where you can see a list of what's awaiting payment, what's approved, and anything that might be overdue. With the bills list open, take a moment to notice how it's currently laid out. You'll typically see columns like Supplier, Reference, Due Date, Status, and Totals, with each bill occupying a full row. This standard view is great for readability, but if you work with a high volume of bills, you might prefer a denser view that lets you scan more at once. To access that, look for the three-dot menu, usually located near the top right of the Bills screen. Click the three dots to open the display options. In the menu that appears, select Compact View. This tells Xero to tighten up the spacing so you can see more lines on your screen without scrolling as much. Now, review the updated Compact Bills layout. You should immediately notice slimmer row heights and a more condensed presentation, while your key columns and information remain intact. Nothing about your data has changed, only the way it's displayed. This view is especially helpful when you're reviewing a long list for due dates, statuses, or amounts at a glance, because you can take in a larger portion of your workload without constant paging. As you look over the compact layout, keep an eye on the details that matter most to you, whether that's upcoming due dates, invoice references, or totals. And make sure everything is clear and legible at this density. If you're working on a laptop or smaller monitor, this can make a noticeable difference in efficiency. Finally, scroll through the Simplified Bills list to experience how quickly you can move through your payables in this format. The smoother scrolling and extra lines per screen can make batch reviews faster and cut down on the time it takes to locate specific entries. If you manage many suppliers or you reconcile bills frequently, this streamlined view can help you stay on top of deadlines and spot exceptions sooner. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to purchases, selected bills, opened your bills list, used the three-dot menu to switch to compact view, reviewed the refreshed layout, and scrolled through the simplified list to confirm it suits your workflow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the extra breathing room on your screen.